This is a worked example walkthrough for the UK Intermediate Mathematical Challenge, February 2001. It's a 1 hour paper. You can't use a calculator or any measuring instruments like a ruler or a protractor. You are allowed to use rough paper. There are 5 marks for each correct answer from questions 1 to 15. There are 6 marks for each correct answer 16 to 25. Each incorrect answer to questions 16 to 20 loses 1 mark, and 21 to 25 loses 2 marks. If you're doing my competition maths paper, then I'm only interested in the points that you get for the marks, because I'd like you to attempt as many questions as possible. Keep your worked examples and then we can go through them together, or you can have a look when you get when you get your answers and you get to see the right answers. We can talk through that. So just message me or speak to me during the class. Let's go on to question 1. Between which of the following pairs of numbers is there the greatest difference? We need to deal with them both, with each of them. So this is question 1. So we've got the highest number is 11, so the answer is 8.